Hey everyone, welcome to Wishing Well BBQ. I'm Dustin Wells, and today we're making a smoker-fried peach bourbon wing. Let's do it. The Super Bowl is coming up really soon, and wings are one thing that's always on the menu. And what better way to amp up some wings than to smoker-fry it and add a peach bourbon glaze? Let me show you what we got to do to prepare these wings. I went to my local grocery store and picked up these whole bone-in, skin-on chicken wings. I want to go ahead and break these chicken wings down, so I'm going to take my spaceman knife and I'm going to find these joints and I'm going to cut right at the joints to separate the wing tips and to separate the drums and the flats. All you have to do is take your knife and cut right through those joints, and then you have them separated. Now we're going to take these wings and put them in a large mixing bowl, and we're going to add quite a bit of Louisiana hot sauce. We're going to make sure we really cover these wings. Don't worry, it's not going to make your wings too hot. Now we're going to add some Wishing Well BBQ competition style rub. We're going to season them liberally and give them a nice toss. And then what we want to do is cover them with aluminum foil and put them in the refrigerator to brine overnight. All right, we have let these wings brine overnight in the hot sauce and seasoning. Oh yeah, these look awesome. I've got a cooking rack here that I'm just going to spray down with some oil. And I'm just going to start putting these wings right here on the rack. Hey, I do not want to rinse any of this hot sauce or this brine off of these wings. That's going to continue to give us some added flavor. All right, I've got all of these wings on the rack here, and the only thing left to do is throw them on the smoker, so let's do it. Today, I'm cooking on my Oklahoma Joe offset smoker, and I'm going to be using a combination of lump charcoal and hickory wood. I'm going to use my propane torch to get the fire started, and I want my smoker to sit around 250 degrees for this cook. We've got these wings on the smoker, and we're going to keep them on there until they reach about 165 degrees. Let's close down the smoker and let them get to cooking. While we've got our wings on the smoker, let's go ahead and make our peach bourbon glaze. The first ingredient in this glaze is 1 cup of peach preserves, 3 tablespoons of bourbon. Today I'm using Evan Williams, but you can use whatever your favorite bourbon is. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And then lastly, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of Wishing Well BBQ competition style rub. We're going to whisk these ingredients together and bring it up to a boil and let it simmer for about 5 minutes until all the ingredients are nice and combined and the alcohol is burned off. Once the sauce is complete, we're going to let it sit until it cools down. Then we're going to put it in a glass jar and we're going to save it until these wings are completely done. All right, we've had these wings on for about an hour and a half, and just check out the amazing color. The internal temperature of these chicken wings is about right where I want it. Hey, now the only step we have left is to throw these in the deep fryer, so let's do it. I'm going to go ahead and bring my canola oil up to 350 degrees. And now what I want to do is I just want to toss in some of these wings. These wings are already cooked, but this is just going to add another element. We don't need too long on this. I would say probably 2 or 3 minutes, just enough to crisp them up. Hey, let's get them in. All right, it's been about 3 minutes, and let's check these wings out. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Just by feeling them, I can tell that that skin is nice and crispy. We're gonna go ahead and put it in a bowl so that we can mix it with our peach bourbon glaze. And this is exactly what I'm looking for. It's nice and covered in that glaze. The skin is super crispy, very, very juicy. This looks amazing. Oh man, let me tell you something. These wings look and smell absolutely phenomenal, and you know that I'm ready to take a bite. But before we do, let's talk about what we did to get here. The first thing I did was purchase some whole chicken wings, and I broke them down into drums and flats. I soaked them in hot sauce and Wishing Well BBQ competition style rub overnight in the refrigerator. We fired up our smoker to 250 degrees using hickory wood and lump charcoal, and we let these wings smoke for about an hour and a half. While we were waiting on the wings to cook, we made this delicious peach bourbon glaze. We preheated our oil to 350 degrees, and as soon as the wings reached 165 degrees, we took them out and threw them in the deep fryer for about 3 minutes. And once they were done, we tossed them in this peach bourbon glaze, and now here we are, and I can't wait any longer. You know I gotta take a bite. Hey, cheers to you, cheers to a good cook. Let's take a bite. The hot sauce that we let it soak in overnight gives it just a touch of back heat and some extra flavor. That competition style rub gives it that extra flavor. And the glaze, for it to be so simple, the glaze is delicious. I'm telling you what, whether it's the Super Bowl or just making some wings, you have got to try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like what we're doing here on the Wishing Well BBQ channel, make sure you click that subscribe button below so that you don't miss out on any of the fun. Make sure you also follow us on all of our other socials, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you so much again for watching, and as always, we'll see you next time.